So what is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to a new POV video. So you joined me inside my Tiger BMW M140i once again. So we've done a couple of videos with this car previously, and yeah, I just thought I should have a go, and big thanks to the owner for letting me have a go once again. And yeah, as usual, let's just go for a quick POV drive around these roads and experience the BMW M140i. So I think as usual, we'll start with like a quick launch control up the stretch here. So to launch this car, you need to have it in Sport Plus. Then you need to put the gearbox in Sport. So you flick it to the left when it's in drive. You come to a stop. Make sure your left foot is firmly on the brake. Hit the accelerator and you're good to go. It should say launch control active down there like it says now. Oh man, that backfire was really loud. So it's a bit twitchy, but the traction control system does a great job at handling all of this power. So speaking about power, let's recap about the stats from the motor. So up front you have a 3-liter turbo inline 6, which is making 250 kilowatts. That's about 340 horsepower and 500 newton meters of torque. So this is the infamous B58 motor that you find in a lot of other BMWs like the 340i's, the current generation Toyota Supra, and so on. So now I'll go into manual, and yeah, we'll just go for a drive around this area. So the thing about the M140i is it's not the sharpest when it comes to handling. It doesn't have the stiffest suspension. It's not the most focused on track and whatnot. This is all about a big proper engine up front, rear wheel drive, and that is literally all you need, and that's what's gonna put a smile to your face. But I say that it is actually fun to drive. It doesn't feel leery or too heavy or too soft, but it's more on the compliant side than it is on the hardcore, especially when it comes to handling and suspension feel. Man, that M Performance exhaust on this one just makes a huge difference. Sounds a lot fruitier than, well, one without the exhaust. Also the ZF8 speed, the pairing between this gearbox and engine is just beautiful. It just works so well, honestly. Ah, man, this thing still has so much punch to it. And the thing is, it's able to make all this power so efficiently because the engine is really big, hey? Enough, we have another 40i car just up ahead, X3 M40i, same engine as well. So yeah, I'm pretty sure you guys can tell that this is still a weapon. It's still such a great car to drive, and the thing about it is it's just so unique. I can't think of any other modern car that has this type of setup. A hatchback that's rear-wheel drive with a 6-cylinder engine. I think it might be the only one really, and I think it'll go down in history as one of those cars that have impacted a generation, so as to say. And I think if you're in the market for one of these or something like this, so as to say, you should quickly get one, because yeah, they are so rare nowadays, and the mileage is certainly piling up. So yeah, that is the BMW M140i. Let's just drive back to that stretch of road and then we'll conclude this POV. exhaust note is just so glorious. So yeah, that is it from me to you guys with this POV video. I really do hope you guys enjoyed it, and until next time, that's cheers from me.